Hey everybody, this is James. Today I'm doing a quick video on replacing the inline shower filter that you see here. This is a pH energizing shower filter by Invigorated Water. Has a charcoal filter, activated charcoal filter in there, and cleans out, filters out chlorine, increases pH, ionizes and softens, removes chlorine and chloramine, fluoride, lead, aluminum, arsenic, heavy metals. Does a fantastic job, and we've been using it, so I'm going to go ahead and change it out because it's overdue. You get about 6 months to one of them. This was a 2-pack, and we have chlorinated and fluoridated well water from our town, in the town that we live in, so we bought this and a under the sink filtration system. Links in the description below, and you can get yourself some of these filters to help protect yourself from what's in the water, intentionally and just from contamination. So this is what it looks like when you get it. It comes in 2 halves, and it has a filter here that is directional, so you want to keep it in the direction that it comes in the package, but you need to remove the plastic. Also, you need channel locks and some Teflon tape so you can make sure you got a good seal on all your components. Okay, let's take it apart and we'll put the new one in. This one, I guess it's going to come apart all as one unit this time around, which I'm going to just do for the sake of changing this out. So you want to put this behind your shower heads, obviously. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and take it apart so we can look at what's on the inside, and I'll cut it open and we'll take a look at it closer to see how well it contaminates this stuff out. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now we got some Teflon tape on there, so I'm going to just put a little bit more. Take the plastic off this filter and assemble this back together. There's a O-ring in there. You want to make sure you keep that O-ring in there. That creates a nice seal. That goes in like this. There's one direction. You want the perforations to go this way, and then you want the screen part to be on the side of the incoming water. So I just took the plastic off my cartridge. This is a cartridge. Got the screen facing the inflow direction of the water, and we got the perforated holes facing the outflow. We're going to put this back together. So here is our a new water filter cartridge ready to go. It's as simple as that. I'm going to stick it up here on that. I'm going to put some Teflon tape on it, reconnect the shower heads, and it's all done. Make sure when you're putting your Teflon tape on that you go in the direction of the tightening. That's important. Helps you lose your Teflon tape when you tighten on your shower head. So when you're tightening the filter on and you're tightening your shower head, it's not unwinding the Teflon tape. Okay, tighten that on there really well, and then put some Teflon tape around the other end. So now I'm tightening my shower head assembly on there. we had to purchase a, what do you call that? That is a two-way splitter. Guessing that's what you might want to call that. Not very graceful, but I think you get the picture. So get that nice and tight on there. Turn your shower head back up to tight. Okay, so we have a two-way. So put that one back on. And then what you're gonna do is run the shower for a few minutes. It's gonna get any sort of loose debris and particulates in the filter out and cleansed, and it's going to charge the filter with fresh water. And so let's do that. So the filter is being charged, and loose particulates from the manufacturing process are being filtered out. And you're supposed to run it for about a minute. I'm going to switch it over to the removable shower head here to clean this stuff down. And we definitely used to notice a chlorine smell in the water before we started using these filters. And it definitely dried your skin out more. And now with the recent flooding in Vermont, we got 9 inches of water. They're dumping huge amounts of chlorine in the water. So it's definitely important to take extra measure to decontaminate your water before you drink it. I'll do another video on our under the sink water filter system, which is a bit more complex than this, but makes really delicious drinking water.